Be still and watch as the rain falls. What comes to mind is the story of humanity's pitfalls. So as you sit in a couch and hear the sound of its downpours, remember that it serves as a witness of the one who came to redeem us. His blood did the job on the cross, washing away the sin dross. You did nothing while the Savior took that bitter cross. He descended into the lowest hell and reversed the serpent's curse. Love so deep he couldn't stand the loss of our damned soul, pining away in eternal toss. And so, just like the rain, he washed, sanctified, and justified us back to God's.